Morning, it's November 16th, 2022, and this is your morning report. Target announced earnings today and just blew it. They missed by pretty much a country mile. And this is causing the stock to go down, I believe, 13% pre-market at this point. This is an example of discretionary spending is dying. If you are invested in companies such as Amazon, Target, companies that aren't necessity-driven items, these are companies that are going to be in trouble. Advanced Auto Parts came out this morning also and blew it too. The expense of running these businesses in an environment that is deflating, where demand is deflating, this is going to be a big challenge going forward. And this is why you have to start protecting against consumer discretionary items. Consumer staples, things that you have to have. These are companies like the Johnson & Johnsons, the boring companies of the world that will do well in this economic environment. So plan ahead, risk manage, reduce your exposure to things that people don't need, because we are in a recession and it's going to get really, really deep over the next 3 quarters. Good luck today. Live loud.